This jigger is part of the Urban Bar Tattoo range. I absolutely love the design. It looks really cool. This is a 25mm and 50mm double bubble aero jigger, essentially. I'll give you a close up, but there is a couple of little lines in there as well. Hopefully you can see. So in the little end, in the 25mm end, we've got a little line at 10mm. And in the big end, the double bubble end, the 50mm end, we've got a line at 35mm there. It's really light, actually. It's proper solid stainless steel, but I'm quite impressed about how light it is and how you can sort of do, I haven't got good finger work, but you can kind of do that really easy because it is so light. I think because it's slightly thicker down there. But hopefully if I give you a little close up on the old camera there, you can kind of see the design that's going on there. It's the standard sort of Urban Bar tattoo kind of design. Hopefully, let's spin it around, you see the 25mm end as well. But really cool, solid piece of bar equipment. It's part of the Urban Bar Tattoo range. So if you've got the mixing tin, if you've got the bar spoon, you kind of need the Aero Jigger to go with it as well.